I climb every mountain, swim every ocean, just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see. I cannot steal my talent.
But don't forget to act carefully, because your personality can be damaged easily. The enemy can't be easily seen. Seen in a rain that runs through the vein. There is too much pain. Oh, how I wish love could regain. Poetry also, on the other side, motivates people. It also educates people.
I have the talent. This talent is from God.
Yeah.
I have the talent, so I use singing to showcase my talent. I use singing to educate people. I use singing to tell people what they're up to, what they can do.
And when writing poems, you think deeply, like you think wider. And for music, most of them don't write their songs themselves.
Really?
But poets, most of them write their poems themselves. And when you're writing, you think wider.
No, wait. That is the difference between poetry and singing. Some poems, when you write it, some people can't speak in public. When they write poems, they are too nervous to speak in public, so they give it to someone who is even more confident to speak in public, so that person would read the poem for them.
Okay. Are you in support for poetry? If yes, drop a comment. Oh, are you in support of music? Well, we believe that music is poetry and poetry is music.
Are you proud of the things you've done? Turning millions of people into robots? Do you find that fun? Do you realize how many kids relate to that fish? Swimming up clouds every day, not finding their gift, thinking they're stupid, believing they're useless? When the time has come, no more excuses. I call school to the stand, accuse them of killing creativity, individuality, and being intellectually abusive.
She's repeating herself because she always kept on saying about how kids are in the school and they do not find their gifts. At least a poem should have so many different things. To the sound here in my heart, the melody I stirred but can't complete. Listening to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find relief. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or turned into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen.
She's just from singing and she's almost losing her voice.
Ah.
In singing, when you shout louder, you can like lose your voice. But
so
poetry.
Can you demonstrate how she lost her voice?
And the voice was just going.
Give us 3 reasons why we should publish this video.
1, it will make other kids out there to know that they have the thing and they can do it. As I quote, whatever you believe you can achieve. If they believe that they can make it and they watch this video, of course they will make it.
Definitely.
And 2, I love my talent.
You love your talent.
Yeah,
I can see that in you.
I love poetry and entertaining people. Right here, I love it.
You love it.
3,
and this is your first time to appear on the TV, right? VMTV.
yeah.
Definitely. Yes, here we are going. So what do you have in mind that you didn't put across? This is the platform where you are educating millions of young people, adults, even our parents. You know, this is the platform where we can educate them. Tell us exactly what you will really love to put across if there is a need for you.
First of all, I would like to thank VM International TV for giving us this great opportunity to showcase our talent. And secondly, the kids out there that have the talent but they don't have the courage to come out there and showcase their talent, you can come and showcase your talent. Just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'cause I need you to see, and you are the reason. Hello everyone, my name is Ami. Today I'm going to have a fantastic debate with Asujanga. It's going to be really educative.
Wow, that's beautiful. Anyway, Ami, welcome back again to VM International TV, VM Kids Show. This is the show where we empower the kids, and today it's not going to be cold. As you're watching, please drop your comment. We have Ami Janga versus Astu. So Astu, first of all, you are highly welcome. Welcome to VM Kids Show.
Thank you.
Okay, give us a freestyle and then you introduce yourself.
Why a VM so?
Some wounded hearts can't be easily healed. Some people wish that they could rest in a nest that most people detest. Some hearts are deep like an ocean, but only if it's an ocean in an organization. Sometimes you feel lonely, but knowing you grumble slowly to be called lovely, but don't forget to act carefully, because your personality can be damaged easily. Hey guys, my name is Asli Jonga. I'm here to have a fantastic poem, like you just said, with Ami Jonga. I hope you're gonna love it.
Definitely, they are going to love it. And my beautiful audience, this is what we call VM Kids Show. And VM Kids Show is a platform designed for the kids. We believe that for them to use their voice is necessary. We believe that they have the voice. They have something to showcase. And this is the high time for us to motivate them. If you are willing to sponsor this program, you are highly welcome to WhatsApp us on +220 3699 555 +220 3699 555. You can also drop your comments below. It's gonna be amazing. As you are watching, this is gonna be one in town. First of all, you said poetry versus singing. We want to know whether singing and poetry, which one is the best? Which one is the best?
Singing.
Singing? Do you agree?
Poetry, yeah.
Do you agree?
No.
No.
I say poetry because poetry is more educative and you can do it respectfully and it is very easy.
Really?
And
what about singing?
Singing also, it's really educative, and sometimes when you're singing, you feel like you're the only one on this earth.
Really?
There are certain type of songs. When you are singing it, you feel it deep inside your heart. So that is the difference between poetry and singing. That's why I said singing is more important than poetry, because sometimes singing motivates some people. Some people that sometimes think that they are just alone in this world. And when they listen to certain songs, they think that
the wind is blowing, saying that you are right. Ami Jonga, do you agree?
No, I don't agree.
Okay.
Poetry also, on the other side, motivates people. It also educates people. And when writing poems, you think deeply, like you think wider. And for music, most of them don't write their songs themselves.
Really?
But poets, most of them write their poems themselves. And when you're writing, you think wider.
No, wait. That is the difference between poetry and singing. Some poems, when you write it, some people can't speak in public. When they write poems, they are too nervous to speak in public, so they give it to someone who is even more confident to speak in public, so that person would read the poem for them.
Okay. Are you in support for poetry? If yes, drop a comment. Oh, are you in support of music? Well, we believe that music is poetry and poetry is music. But we want to know which one is more powerful to educate the world. Do you think music is more faster to educate the world? Or do you think poetry is more faster? Like my teacher once told me, if you are going into a competition and you see somebody that is dancing from the air, from the wind, coming down, dancing like Michael Jackson, and someone who just come and say, oh, Africa, Africa, which one will you take? Now, here we are. Which one will you take?
Africa.
Africa?
Yeah.
Why Africa?
Because, poetry is something very nice.
It's something very nice.
Like, when you're reading poems, you get motivated.
Yeah.
You yourself reading it, you get motivated and you motivate other people.
Okay.
Poem is very nice. Poem is different from music.
Yeah.
People say that they are the same, but they are different.
But look at it. When you look at this poem, like the poem that let's put it in Gambian context. For example, there's one song that everybody love. Dena no be kumbola alamanin. It's a poem that everybody love. That every local woman in the Gambia would sing this to their child, which is so. It's a poem. It's a powerful poem.
There are certain different types of songs.
Yeah.
There are songs that when you sing it, even when you are singing it to a baby, the baby gets sleepy because it gets inside the nerves.
Okay.
That's what that is the difference between poetry and singing.
Okay. Now, give us a freestyle that will make people to vote for you, or that will make people to vote for her. Now, you all gonna bring something that the world is gonna think. Say yes. I mean, this is what you can do. Or Astu, I trust you, and this is what I can do. Give us any song that you think can remedy the minds of those whose hearts are wounded. Any song.
She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, roaming in the highway. She's living in a world and she's on fire. If you look, she can burn your eye. Better look the other way. Oh, she's got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, got her head on the cloud and she's not looking out.
This girl is on fire. Anyway, you didn't complete it, but it's nice. Somebody's saying, hi guys, your program is going fine and I really love it. I think it's good to go. Nevertheless, another one is saying VM. I think VM Kid Show is one of my favorite and I love it. This one is saying, it's good to go, but she sing fast. Is that true?
Yeah.
Are you so?
Yeah. She sings fast, and when she's singing, people don't really get the words she's saying.
Really?
Compared to poetry.
Yeah.
When you're reading poems, the words will flow in slow. But when singing...
And this one is saying, I want to hear from her. Yes, you wanted to say something.
This is a type of song.
Yeah.
There are different types of songs. There are types of songs that when you are singing it, you sing it slowly.
But Mohammed Rami is saying that your music, your voice is good to go, but you singing very fast. That's what Mohammed Rami just comment below. So how are you going to defend that?
I am singing fast because the song itself, the voice get high.
Okay.
The song, when you are singing it, you don't get the voice low. Or else, if you get the voice low, it's different from...
Can you take it low? Let me see. One more time. Just low, and then we compare which one is the best.
She's just a girl and she's on... She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, roaming in the highway. She's living in a world and she's on fire. If you look, she can burn your eye. Better look the other way. Oh, she's got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down.
Yeah, I think many people are just saying yes, 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 yes. So, which one do you prefer first before we give you the chance to go?
Yeah, I prefer the second one because that goes with poetry.
Really?
Yeah,
it goes with poetry. So you are supporting your own area.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
No.
Okay, let me hear from you anyway.
Okay. Albert Einstein once said that everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Ladies and gentlemen, today on Trial we have modern day schooling. Glad you could come. Not only does he make fish climb trees, but also make them climb down and do it in my own. Tell me, school, are you proud of the things you've done? Turning millions of people into robots. Do you find that fun? Do you realize how many kids relate to that fish? Streaming up clouds every day, not finding their gift, thinking they're stupid, believing they're useless? When the time has come, no more excuses. I call school to the stand, accuse them of killing creativity, individuality, and being intellectually abusive.
Wow. This is powerful, but you keep repeating yourself. Somebody saying, well, like I said, drop your comment. You're watching this live on VM International TV. And if you wish to sponsor this program, you are highly welcome. You can WhatsApp us on +220 if you are outside, +220 369 and 555. That's our WhatsApp number. You can also email vmtrawally@gmail.com. vmtrawally@gmail.com. Somebody is saying you keep repeating yourself. You keep repeating yourself continuously. Is that right?
No, it's not right.
It's not right. Why?
Because I'm not repeating myself.
You're not repeating yourself.
No.
So what did you notice?
She's repeating herself because she always kept on saying about how kids are in the school and they do not find their gifts. At least a poem should have so many different things.
Yeah. It should have chorus, like music, you know. And what else? I'm not supporting you anyway. I'm not here to support you for the meantime. I will be supporting, but if I'm convinced. And I know the audience also would be convinced to sing like one. So let's go. Anyway.
Yeah. She said that poetry should have chorus.
Yeah.
But like she just said, singing is different. There are other types of singing, but poetry also is different.
Yeah, it's a different remedy or different way, different verse, you know, that give us cold breathe, you know.
Yeah.
When I heard you saying, you know, America or, you know, school, you know, I was like, yeah, this is poetry that I want to hear. But now, let's come to put across. Not everybody will like, Malaka Diam Nyadir. I don't know how she's talking. Look at
yes, you don't understand her words. When she's speaking, she don't speak clearly.
She don't speak clearly.
Yes.
Are you sure you don't speak clearly?
I speak clearly.
You speak clearly?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you do like what I just do? Can you speak clearly like more than what I just do?
Yeah.
Okay. Do it.
You said Albert Einstein once said that everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it's... You should have said it that way, but you said Albert Einstein once said that everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid.
No, I didn't say that way. She's just... No.
Anyway, we're going into short break and we'll be right back. Keep watching. Remember to share this video if you are watching. And yes, I'm your number one host called VM Trawale. My real name is Musa. These two are fighting, so you need to separate them. Tell us who is on the right path. Goodbye.